Roku Error 014 shows up when your Roku says it's connected to Wi-Fi, but there's no internet. Nothing loads, apps don't open, and it feels confusing because everything looks connected. The good news is this is almost always a network issue, not a hardware problem. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step fixes you can try at home to restore your connection and get back to streaming. Let's start with the quickest fixes. First, restart your modem and router. Unplug both devices from power, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and allow the internet to fully stabilize. Once that's done, restart your device by going to Settings, System, Power, and selecting System Restart. This clears temporary connection glitches. If that didn't work, let's check the connection itself. Go back into Network Setup and carefully re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure every character is correct and case sensitive. Even a small mistake here can cause this error. Then reconnect by selecting your network again. If the issue continues, reset the network settings. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, and choose Network Connection Reset. Confirm it and wait for the device to restart. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi from scratch. Now, let's check signal strength. Move your device closer to the router and remove anything that could block the signal, like metal objects or electronics. A stronger signal often fixes connection issues. Here's an important test. Connect your device to a mobile hotspot. If it works on the hotspot, the problem is coming from your router. If it still doesn't connect, the issue may be software related on the device. This step helps you quickly narrow down the cause. If your device supports it, try using an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. This bypasses Wi-Fi completely and can confirm whether the issue is wireless related. Now let's move into router settings. Open your router's admin page and check the security type. Avoid newer mixed security modes and use WPA2 with AES, which is the most compatible option. Then check your 2.4 GHz band settings. Make sure newer modes like Wi-Fi 6 are not forced on this band. Use a mixed mode like B, G, and N for better compatibility. Also, set the channel width to auto or 20 MHz instead of forcing 40 MHz so devices can connect more reliably. Next, check if your router is blocking the connection. Disable MAC filtering or strict firewall rules that could prevent the device from getting an IP address. This is a common reason behind this error. After that, check for software updates. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and install any available updates. Once updated, restart the device and test the connection again. If nothing has worked so far, the final option is a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, and select Factory Reset. Keep in mind this will remove all apps and settings, so use it only as a last step. That's it for fixing Roku Error 014. By following these steps, you've covered the most common causes of this issue and narrowed down where the problem is coming from. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and reliable tech fixes. And if one of these steps worked for you or you still have questions, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.